Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So once again, based on your suggestions, a new update was made for Aiomatic, which is linked in this video's description. And today you will be able to use the chatbot personas on the front end and allow users of your website to select personas with which they want to chat. So you will be able to show them multiple personas based on the persona IDs you select, and you will be able to use the Aiomatic Persona Selector Shortcode for this. So let me show you this page and its results. So if you check the front end of my site, this page will translate to this persona selector. So this little shortcode here, where I have 3 personas for selection, will translate to this persona selector page, where users will be able to select a persona to chat with. You can set here customer support, sales, and marketing, for example, and people will be able to select with who to speak. So for example, let's select Gina, and you will see after people click on Gina, they will be able to chat with her. Who are you? And obsession about coffee because she's a barista, and people will be able to click back. And for example, now let's chat with Silas and ask him also, who are you? A mountaineer, and they will be able to chat with multiple personas like this. Okay, so this is a suggestion made by you guys. So if you want to make more suggestions, then let me know. So one thing to know, that you can get the chatbot ID, the persona ID, from the AI chatbot menu, manage chatbot personas tab, and you will be able to see here personas listed, and here you will see also the persona numeric ID. So let's grab a numeric ID, for example, and add it to a list, to this list, with a comma separated from the rest. And let's update, refresh, and here it is. The new persona is listed. We can click on Maya also, and if we ask her, who are you? Super duper awesome 7-year-old girl. Okay, so this is all for this update. Aiomatic is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it. If you have more ideas, suggestions, don't be afraid, leave them in the comments. I will be reading and responding to them. And yeah, until next time, like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Bye bye.